You have to get to where you love your own voice. You have to get to where you are your favorite creator, your favorite writer, your favorite cultural architect, or mom or dad, photographer, chef, teacher, whatever your thing is. Now, you don't necessarily have to be at the top of your own list, but you should be up there. Top 5 at least. I love writing. I love making content. I love the way that Abba's word gets pushed and filtered through me. I love the way it comes out. I'm a fan. I'm the president of the fan club of how he has revealed himself to me. I am the president of the fan club of how his word has borne fruit in my life. And I am the president of the fan club of how his word comes through my lips, through my keyboard, and into the world. And up until very recently, I would have really struggled with that. I would not have wanted to say those things so openly, because it sounds self-serving and egotistical and unrighteous. Because what does the Bible say? But know this, that in the last days, perilous times will come, for men will be lovers of themselves, right? Lovers of money, boasters, proud, blasphemers, disobedient to parents, unthankful, unholy, etc., etc. But I think at this point in my life, I have pretty good feelers. And I don't feel boastful. I don't feel proud. I don't feel unthankful. Quite the opposite. I feel incredibly thankful. Lovers of money, that can't be me. You have to have it to love it, right? Kind of like how I've never gotten addicted to gambling, because I never won. You know, I think sometimes we think we have a relationship with God, but what we actually have is a relationship with other people. We believe in God, we believe in His existence, but we're actually looking to other people for cues and guidance and affirmation. And that's very common and easy to fall into, and I'm certainly not immune. But personally, I just love my relationship with the Holy Spirit. I don't make a distinction between Him and me. Nothing is me. Everything is we. And I could write all day, and not get bored, and not run out of ideas, and not feel tired. And it reminds me of when Yeshua said, I have food that you can't even see. My food is to fulfill my assignment. In other words, I am sustained by my obedience. My work gives me energy. It doesn't sap my energy. You cannot give what you do not have. What you have, you can give in measures. Who you are, you can give in perpetuity. And I'll be talking about that more in the future. So you cannot give what you do not have. What you have, you can give in measures. But who you are, you can give in perpetuity. I want to be a perpetual creator, an exponential producer. I want every word I write, every word I speak, to cause the next word to hit the page with more ease and more impact and richness and value, and even beyond value, transformation. And I've spoken to you of futility. This was something that really plagued me in the past. I wrote songs about it, and they were very relatable. But relatable to whom? To whom should we seek to relate? Now, futility, metaphorically, is being tasked with filling up a bucket that has a hole in the bottom. It doesn't work. You're not going to do it successfully. What I'm talking about now, what I'm stepping into, what we are stepping into, is the opposite of futility. I want to be able to turn the bucket upside down and know that the flow will never stop. And I'm already seeing it. Yahweh is eternal, so you are eternal. Yahweh is infinite, so you are infinite. Yahweh is a creator, so you are a creator. And my hope for you is that you find your bucket that you can turn upside down that never runs dry. I hope you can find that thing that makes you feel alive, that thing that you can give in perpetuity without measure that makes the world a better place. Whether it brings income into your household or not. But I hope it does. That's always nice. I'm not above admitting that. Because when people live in harmony with themselves, they tend to live in harmony with others. And that's the kind of world I want to live in. And that's the kind of world I want our kids to grow up in. I'm Ryan Coleman, the real Ryan Coleman on Instagram, not Ryan Coleman on X. And you can find me on Facebook and TikTok and Threads and all the things, most of the things. You can also download my free ebook. It's called Problems to Proverbs, Ancient Wisdom for the Modern World, Volume 1. It's a very quick read. The title is almost wordier than the book itself. For those of you who don't want to make a big time investment, this is right up your alley. Think like, I don't know, if King Solomon had a Twitter feed, something like that. Chat me up if you think that's accurate, or if you think that description is terrible and sacrilegious. You can let me know that too. You can join me on School or In School. That's SKOOL School. It's like social media, but everyone's there to learn and to grow. No drama. Everyone's there for specific reasons, not just to kill time. I'd love for you to join us. I share a lot of the creative processes I use and ideologies and whatnot. Our group is called Content Creators, not content creators, content creators. We're building the lives we want from the raw material of the lives we already have. We're here already. We're already here. Thank you for listening, and I'll speak to you soon.